In front of me is Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Advanced. Then hit Twin Apps and click on gray sweater next to any available app that you wish to clone. Following that, just wait. So when I go back and check out my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!